In 2018, almost 22 million Americans were laid off or fired from their jobs. Reasons for dismissal included bad-mouthing colleagues, lying, and taking too much time off work. Sound familiar? By contrast, none of the 45 US presidents have been given the boot, despite on occasion doing some pretty questionable things. So what does it really take to get fired as commander-in-chief? To be honest, it's all right there in the Constitution. In 1787, the Founding Fathers gathered in Philadelphia for the Constitutional Convention to hash out the Constitution itself. Understanding the need to limit the president's power, they agreed that the House of Representatives should have the power to impeach government officials on grounds including treason, bribery, or other high crimes and misdemeanors, and the Senate the power to convict or acquit. The term high crimes and misdemeanors has always been open to interpretation, so it's rarely used. But of those government officials convicted to date, Federal Judge Harry E. Claiborne was fired for tax evasion, and District Court Judge John Pickering for chronic intoxication. Prior to 2019, only 2 presidents have been impeached. Andrew Johnson in 1868 for firing the Secretary of War without the Senate's consent, and Bill Clinton in 1998 for lying under oath and obstruction of justice. Neither were convicted by the Senate. Impeachment proceedings were initiated against another sitting president, Richard Milhous Nixon, in 1974 for his role in the Watergate scandal. But Nixon jumped before being pushed, the only president to resign from office. But impeachment isn't the only way to remove a president from office. The vice president has a role to play too. Should the VP and a majority of cabinet secretaries deem the president mentally unfit to govern, they can invoke the 25th Amendment by raising their concerns with the Speaker of the House and the Senate pro tempore. If the Senate agrees by a 2/3 majority, bingo, the president gets his pink slip. Of course, there's another way to send the president packing: by voting. So far, 10 presidents have failed to convince the American public to elect them for a second term. In the end, the ultimate power of office resides with the people.